Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today we're going to be looking at this Sony 50 disc CD player, or actually 50 plus 1 CD player. The model number of it is CDP-CX50, and on the front panel of it you've got a power button right there. Then this is the door, you push that and it opens. And then you've got the +1 feature. You can use it like a single disc CD player if you want, and just skip to that one disc right there. Then you've got your play modes, which are continued, shuffle, program, and repeat. You've got your play button, and they've also got lights on them so you know which one is on. You've got play, pause, stop, skip forward, skip backwards, clear, check, and then just skip with the knob, and then you've got this nice big display. So let's go ahead and put a disc in there. And you need to label, and you need to place it in here with the label facing to the right. So as you can see, it loaded it up, and you can set it to shuffle one disc or shuffle all discs. If you put it to all discs, it will play every single track on every single disc in the player. If you set it to just one disc, it will just shuffle through the one disc that you have playing. And then continue will play straight through it. And on the rear panel of it, on the back of it, you've just got a analog audio output. That's pretty much all there is for this Sony 51 disc CD player and changer. This thing is really handy. You can fit a lot of CDs in it, and it's not too large either, so you can fit it into more spaces than you would actually be able to fit a 5 disc player. But if you're looking to order one of these, you can give us a call or you can order online. Thanks for watching.